Hi friends, it's Miss Holley-Hall here. Wanted to share a book with you today called A Stone Sat Still by Brendan Wenzel. I chose this book because today is Earth Day, and I like the way that this book encourages me to think about focusing on one object in my environment and kind of appreciating the world all around me. So it encourages us to sort of get outside and pick something to look at and think about. So let's read A Stone Sat Still. A stone sat still with the water, grass, and dirt, and it was as it was where it was in the world. And the stone was dark, and the stone was bright, and the stone was loud, and the stone was quiet. And it sat where it sat with the water, grass, and dirt, and it was as it was where it was in the world. And the stone was rough, and the stone was smooth. And the stone was green, red, purple, and blue. And the stone was a pebble. See how big the moose is? It makes the stone seem very tiny. And the stone was a hill. And see, here's a tiny little bug, and he has to get over the big stone. And the stone was a feel, and the stone was a smell. And it sat where it sat with the water, grass, and dirt, and it was as it was where it was in the world. And the stone was wild, and the stone was a home. And the stone was a kitchen, and the stone was a throne. And the stone was a marker, a map, and a maze, a danger, a haven, a story, a stage. And the stone was a blink, and the stone was an age. And the stone was an island, and the stone was a wave. And look, there it is, being a wave. It's creating a wave in the water when it gets all covered up. And the stone was a memory, and the stone was always. Have you ever known such a place where with water, grass, and dirt, a stone sat still in the world? The end. I hope you enjoyed our book today. Get outside and have some fun in the wonderful spring weather, and I'll see you next time.